Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. So today's topic is Big Mart sales prediction. In this application, we will predict the amount of profit earned based on the sales of the products. So let's explore the inputs. So these are the inputs. We will just put some random values to test the model. You can change accordingly your requirement. You can test as per your requirements. The link to access this application is given in the description. You can check from there. I'm just putting some random values. Let's check. You can see that the predicted sales are 1,39,490. So you can go and explore as per your inputs the sales for this particular products. To access the source code for this file, you can visit the file section. Under that app.py, you will get all the code, how the model is trained, how it is predicting the value. You can check all these things in the app.py file.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.